Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Volvo V90 cross-country T6 all-wheel drive. This one's gray. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 316 horsepower. For wheels we've got 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, panorama sunroof, roof rack. Come around back, V90 Volvo T6 all-wheel drive badging. Power liftgate. Fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Come alongside. We've got Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A start-stop ignition. Rear view backup camera. Touchscreen media display. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, climate control, automatic transmission, cup holders. This Volvo has 32,874 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volvo, check out feldmanimports.com.